using extra monitors when you're flying. How can you do that? Stay tuned and I'll show you. So folks, you may always wonder, how can I use more monitors when I'm flying my Yuneec Typhoon H? Now this applies for Yuneec Typhoon H, the Q500 4K, the Q500 period. It doesn't matter. Yuneec products you can use and download CGO app on your smartphone or tablet, and you are able to watch the same thing that your controller sees with your camera on the tablet or smartphone. And I'm going to show you how to do that again from the Play Store or Apple App Store. All you have to do is download CGO app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you get that on your smartphone or tablet, it's now set as a Wi-Fi connection. So you go into your settings, you select your Wi-Fi, which would be the CGO app Wi-Fi. You select that, it asks for a password. The password is 123456789 and 0. And now you're hooked onto it. You go back in, execute the app, and now you see the image. And I'll demonstrate that to you right here. So right here, I have the COG app, but first you would go in settings. You would go to Wi-Fi. As you can see right here, I already have it selected. But here's all my Wi-Fis, and I would select up here the COG app, and again the password is 123456789 Once you do that, you go out of here. Once you have it selected, you go down and you execute your app, and boom, you have the image. Now I'm going to show you that this is a live image by moving the drone. As you can see, it's moving because I am moving it. So folks, that is how easy it is to use extra monitors. You can use 2, 3, 4 extra smartphones for other people to view while you're flying. Now the only drawback to this, because it's Wi-Fi, the more monitors you use, the more latency problems you're going to have. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. But again, it's a neat little way where, you know, if you got your kids with you or your wife or your significant other, that you're there flying and they can view what your camera can view. It's just a little tip to make, you know, spice things up a little bit when you're out there flying. But anyway guys, Cincinnati Fly King, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Signing off. See you next time.